You're one of the face card dito sa pageant na to. Yes. Okay, kamusta ka? Is this your first time?
No, actually, fourth or fifth time.
Okay. Yung mga taga-Batubala, magagaling yan. Si Ricky, magaling yan si Ricky, nasa backstage. Okay, you have picture number 1.
So this is the most crucial part of the competition where we are not just scored by our physical beauty but also our intellectual capacity. So the picture is the rainbow flag of the LGBT community. We all know na nandito po tayo ngayong gabi dahil po sa mga miyembro ng LGBT community, ipinapakita kung sino at ano kami. Ipinapakita kung ano ang mga advokasya namin sa buhay. We are here for our advocacy. Ang advocacy ko po, kung nakapanood niyo po sa video, is to empower the LGBT because we all know that the LGBT community, the discrimination here in the Philippines are no longer. Sobrang haba na po ng discrimination. May makita lang pong bakla, lalaitin na. Kaya po nahihirapan ang mga tulad naming bakla na na-express namin yung sarili namin dahil sa pangmusga. Lagi po natin tatandaan na lahat po tayo dito pantay-pantay. We are all created by our God. Babae ka man o lalaki, tomboy ka man o bakla, pantay-pantay po tayo. Hanggat pare-pareho po tayo ng tubig na iinom, hangin na hinihinga, we are all the same. We, the LGBT community, are deserve to be loved, respected, and accepted in this society. Thank you so much.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our